To check if your Kia Sportage 3 supports Bluetooth audio, first look in the infotainment system for a phone or setup menu. You can also verify compatibility by checking your vehicle's VIN on Kia's website. Higher trims like EX or SX with UVO system are more likely to have Bluetooth support. If Bluetooth isn't supported, use an aux cable for wired audio or upgrade with a Bluetooth receiver for wireless streaming. First, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Open your Settings app and turn on Bluetooth. Next, in your Kia's infotainment system, navigate to the Bluetooth settings, usually found under the Phone or Setup menu. Select Pair Device or a similar option on the infotainment screen. Your smartphone should now detect the Kia and display it in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Select the Kia from the list and enter the pairing pin when prompted. Common pins are 000 or 1234. After successful pairing, select Bluetooth Audio as the audio source in your infotainment system to start streaming music. If you experience connection drops while streaming music via Bluetooth, start by checking your smartphone's Bluetooth settings. Older phones may have compatibility issues due to limited bandwidth, so update your smartphone's software to the latest version. Try deleting the pairing on both your phone and the car's infotainment system, then repair them using the standard process. If problems persist, consider an aftermarket Bluetooth adapter that plugs into the aux port for reliable wireless streaming. If your Sportage 3 doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, aftermarket Bluetooth car kits provide an excellent solution for wireless music streaming. These adapters connect to your car's audio system, allowing wireless streaming from your smartphone. Popular brands like Jada Audio and Pioneer offer these adapters at prices between $50 and $200. Installation is straightforward. Simply plug the adapter into your car's aux port or connect to the head unit cables. These adapters provide wireless music streaming and can improve connectivity by up to 40%, but be aware that aux connections may slightly reduce audio quality, particularly the bass response. Advanced users can explore modifying the head unit with custom Android-based systems, such as using a Raspberry Pi. This involves connecting the Raspberry Pi to the vehicle's systems to enable wireless streaming. This enables features like Apple CarPlay emulation and support for modern apps. However, this carries risks of damaging the head unit and voiding warranties. Proceed with caution and research thoroughly. The automotive audio landscape is shifting toward wireless and app-integrated systems, with a 90% adoption rate for Bluetooth in vehicles built after 2015. For older vehicles like the Sportage 3, expect more reliance on third-party solutions, with a 25% annual increase in aftermarket audio upgrades. Consider trade-ins to newer vehicles with built-in wireless features to access modern app integration. Upgrade to Bluetooth FM transmitters for easy wireless streaming, providing a simple retrofit option. Looking ahead, future retrofits may include Wi-Fi streaming and 5G-enabled devices for seamless, lag-free audio experiences. Experts in automotive audio technology emphasize that retrofitting older vehicles like the Kia Sportage 3 with modern Bluetooth codecs, such as aptX, can significantly improve audio quality and fill compatibility gaps in legacy infotainment systems. Safety experts report that vehicles equipped with Bluetooth audio systems can reduce distracted driving incidents by up to 15%, as documented in National Highway Traffic Safety Administration studies. When streaming music, always use voice commands for hands-free operation to comply with driving laws and keep your attention safely on the road. Remember that Bluetooth streaming consumes more phone battery than wired connections, typically 5 to 8% more per hour. To maintain safe operation, keep your phone charged using wireless charging mounts or cables while driving.